Welcome to lesson 4.2. Let's get started. Download this file of indicators and copy and paste this into your VPS server onto the desktop. Open up the file of indicators. Copy all of the indicators. Now go into your MT4 platform. Open up the indicator file. Right-click and paste all those indicators into the file. Then click on Indicators. Right-click and click on Refresh. Now we can scroll down and see that all the indicators are on the platform. Let's move on to the next lesson.